Hi, I want to ask you, do you want to learn the #1 marketing strategy that you need to implement in 2021 in order to really scale your business as a hairstylist? If you don't know me, my name is Anne-Marie Christelle, and I've been a hairstylist for 20 plus years, and I am a marketing and business strategist for hairstylists. And the #1 priority that you need to focus on in 2021 is actually to build trust and honest connection with both the clients that you already have and the people that are following you, that you are turning into clients. More than ever, we really need to have our clients to trust us, and people are longing for that deep, honest connection when they are having their hair done, because it is an amazing, beautiful time we get to spend with people. Because to be honest, nowadays, when we have the world situation that we have, most of our real connections are online. And it's not that often that we actually get to spend time with people in the same room nowadays. So the time that you have with your clients is so precious, and it is so important that they feel that you give them what it is that they want. Because honestly, your clients does not only come to you for getting their hair done, they are also coming for you because of the connection that they have with you and the energy that you create and how you make them feel why you are creating the service that you are doing for them. So even before, when you are doing marketing, when people are visiting your social media, when they are visiting your website, and when they come to the salon, you need to establish a feeling, an energy, and you need to start to communicate who you really truly are, and communicate the energy that you are sending out, so that they feel that they can trust you, so that they feel that this is the right person for me to do their hair, and they really want to know that it is safe to come to you to get their hair done. And this is something that we really need to implement into our whole strategy of our whole online strategy, and we have to implement it into how we are treating our clients, the emails that you send out before they arrive, knowing the new regulations and so on. And this is why the connection and trust is so important. So how do you build an honest, true connection and build trust? The best way is to do this by creating a personal brand around your hairstyling business, because people want to make a true connection with you even before they come to the salon. They really want to know that you are the best person to do their hair in the way that they are dreaming of. They want to know that they are vibing with you, and they want to feel that, yes, this is the right person. And by creating a great personal brand, you can establish and get your clients or future clients to get to know you even before they come to your salon for the first time. And a personal brand is all about how you are showing up as a person doing the services, how your overall internet world, the digital space that you are creating, how does that look? Are you showing off who you are? Are you sharing your knowledge? Are you showing up? Do you share your energy so that they can feel that this is the right person or this is the wrong person? Are you doing this on your website? Are you doing this on your social media? Are you creating that? And there is so much more in the overall picture of how you can actually create those connections with your clients. And the interesting is, if you show up and you create an amazing brand, you will start to have clients that really look forward to see you for the first time. They almost feel this deep connection, and then they have the trust already when they come to you. And it's so much easier to make a client happy with their look if they feel safe, happy with how they feel when they are in your salon, and they will actually also become a brand ambassador for you when they leave the salon, because they feel that they have had this amazing experience with you. And this is the overall picture of building a personal brand for your hairstyling business, and why it is so important. This Thursday, I am doing a free training, part number 1, and then next Monday and the next Thursday, I will continue with a 3-part live video training, where I am going to talk more about the importance of why you should build a personal brand as a hairstylist, and how that can make you convert your dream clients into your salon, so that you can have more time doing fun stuff, and you can really get those clients that you've always wanted into your salon. If you want to learn more about this and how you can really attract more of those clients, make sure to sign up in the link below, and I'm looking forward to see you inside of the training and see how you can shift your business in 2021.